How to make the letter F. All right, we'll start with the capital F. Blow it on up like this. And we'll do our first crook. It all depends on the size that you want, you know, the proportions. So that's completely up to you. Okay, F. I think it's a little bit long, which I learned on the E. I made that way too long. So I'm going to take this portion off. I'm going to pop this off, but far enough back where I have enough left to tie. Okay, I'm holding both of these pieces. So I'm going to tie this one off. It's a little tricky to hold on to both of them without them deflating. But we've done it. Actually, it deflated a little bit. Add a little bit more air back in and tie that off. Okay, so that can be the cross piece. And that looks pretty much like an F, right? Okay. Huh. Okay. I'm gonna... There's air coming out of this thing. Okay, that's why it was getting hard. I'll blow up that extra piece. Make a pinch twist at the back. Place it where we want it, right about there. Twist it around. And we'll take off the part we don't need. Leave enough to tie it. And that is your uppercase F. Sorry, F. Okay, now we'll make a lowercase f. For this one, we'll begin with a trick I use when I make a dinosaur. Okay, blow it up. We're going to force the air out of this. I'll turn it over like that, and I'll force the air out of the whole thing while holding it with my hand. Then I let it back in. And that makes a very nice, good crook for your F. I'm going to add a little bit more there, okay? You figured about as long as you want it, maybe here. Take off the extra and again pop it far enough back where you have enough balloon left to tie. I'm going to hold on to this. Hopefully this time it won't deflate the extra piece. And I tie off the bottom. Okay, we're doing good. Now I've got plenty of balloon left here. I'm going to tie it. I let some air out, which will make it a little more flexible. And oh, well, I actually had more here that could have made it plenty flexible. I didn't realize I had that much left. Make a pinch twist, and then we'll place it in here, about where it would go. And we'll pop off that part right there. Tie it off. And we have our lowercase f and our uppercase F. Yay! And if you can make those, you'll get an A, not an F. Next, G.